Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a cruise which is in front of me, which has a engine swap actually. So the customer changed engine with 1.6 instead of 1.8. So now this car has a hell of trouble. After replacing the engine, this car has problem with idling actually, not in running. So running smoothly is good, no problem at all, but problem is in idle. When it start, it's stop immediately. There is no idle actually. It's idling, not the idling is not correct actually because of the sensor point of this one. Because in 1.8 the valve loop is little bit more angular than 1.6 actually. So the happened is going on here. So if I have let me show you the 1.8 cam. This is the reference for my 1.6 and 1.8. This is the cam for 1.8 in my hand. So it has problem with, see, everything is pretty much same here, but when I do like that, you can see the timing mark here is straight like that, and that one is straight like that. See, that loop is straight actually, that way actually, but that one you see is little bit underneath the valve, actually valve train, whatever you say. So that's going on actually, that's the problem. So that's why it's not idling properly. So anybody you guys are thinking about changing 1.6 instead of 1.8, that will be a trouble. So think before doing. So that's it. This is my update. Thank you guys.